Good morning, class. Welcome to week 2 of Human Rights, the Art of Protest, and the Power of Persuasion. If you look on Schoology in your School from Home folder, you will see week 2. This week, we are going to be exploring the question, is water a human right? You will begin with a journal. What do you see? What do you think? And what do you wonder? And then there is a series of short videos for you to watch and to respond to. The first is Article 25, talking about the right for food, shelter, and medical care. And we're specifically looking this week at the right to water. So in your discussion for the first Article 25, you're going to say one thing that you learned or thought was important, and you're going to ask a question that you have about Article 25. Now, we encourage you to respond to your classmates. It's important for us to continue to have social interaction even while we are social distancing. In the next short video, you're going to be watching a short video about is water a human right? And in this one, you are going to answer, who do you think is responsible for making sure that water is available to everyone? Whose responsibility is that? There's no right or wrong answer. Let's be creative and think about how do we create a better world? Who do you think should be responsible? And again, we encourage you to comment on your classmates' writing. In this third video, you are going to watch a video about access to fresh water. In this video, they are going to suggest a few different ways that we can bring more clean water to more people. You are going to write about one of them and why you think it's a good idea. You can also say an idea you might have about ways to bring more water to more people. And lastly, this is a longer video. You're going to watch a video about a young woman named Deepika Kura and her idea about how to bring more water to more people. This one's a little bit longer, it's 10 minutes, but you may put the closed captions on, and sometimes the transcript is available in different languages. Let's take a look here. I'm trying to see here if there is transcript, and sometimes you're able to switch it into different languages, or it'll help you to read along, okay? So watch that video, please. And again, sort of like your journal, you are going to say one thing you learned, one thing you liked, and one thing you wonder. Once again, we encourage you to comment on your classmates' discussions. The final video in this series is more about the Inside Out project. The Inside Out project is an art project created by French street artist JR. We are going to continue to explore this artist's work, and we are going to have an opportunity for you to participate in a public art project. The participation is voluntary, but I can have up to 50 students participate, and I will be telling you more about that. Look for the folder. So in this section, you're going to watch the short video and you're going to answer, what is the Inside Out project? And then you're going to share an important issue in our community that you want people to know more about. It could be any problem, issue, or idea that you experience in your neighborhood, in our school. This can be anywhere from bullying to the right to access state exams in your home language. Anything that you think is important and the world should know more about. Okay, class, last part of this week two's assignments is a short Newsella article, stories from around the world that showcase water inequality. I will have another video where I do a read aloud to this. So you're going to read this article. You are going to please take the quiz about the article. And you are going to please write the central idea paragraph, and I will be doing another short screencast about how to write the central idea article. Well, thank you so much, guys. We miss you. We are doing everything we can to keep in touch and to hopefully make the work interesting. Please give us feedback about what work you like and what work you don't and what work you would like more of. All right, be safe, be well, take care of each other and your family. We will talk to you soon.